Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Navi 360 Diaries. In today's video, I will be sharing current job openings including internships, trainee roles, software engineer roles and associate software engineer roles from 10 different companies. Before we begin, if you don't want to miss any latest job updates, internships or off-campus opportunities, make sure that you subscribe to Navi 360 Diaries so that you never miss any opportunity. Let's get into the video. First opportunity is from Babaclick. They are hiring for the position of graduate intern software engineer AI native. Location is Gurugram, Haryana. This is a 3-month internship program. Required skills for this position are JavaScript or TypeScript, Python, React, Node.js, SQL and Git, and also some AI tools like Cursor, Cloud Code, Copilot. And best part is that strong performers may get a permanent full stack software engineer role. Eligibility is bachelor's degree. And how to apply for this position. You need to mail india@babaclick.com with a subject line of graduate software engineer ANA2 and your name. And you should also include your CV, GitHub or portfolio and write a short note on the project you are proudest of, what you built and why it is mattered. This is how you need to apply for this position. Second opportunity is from Lanmea. They are hiring for the position of AI and software engineering intern. Location is Bengaluru. Duration of this internship may fall under 2 to 4 months. While coming to the eligibility and required skills, final year students or recent graduates in CSE, engineering, data science or any related fields are eligible to apply. Required skills are web development, AI, LLMs, RAG, AI agents, workflow automation and vector databases. You will also work on AI tools, dashboards and full stack solutions. Stipend provided per month during this internship is 30,000. And comes the part how to apply. You need to mail internship@lanmea.com along with your one-page CV, your LinkedIn link and your GitHub link, and write a short note on something you have built yourself. This is how you need to apply for this position. Third opportunity is from MinFi. They are hiring for the position of associate intern. Location is Hyderabad. Eligibility is final year or recently graduation completed students in computer science. Duration is 3 months. Required skills are Java, Python, AML, GenAI, cloud computing and cloud code. Stipend may be paid or unpaid. You will work on Egira platform plus marketing analytics and AI platform. If you are interested, apply for this position. Fourth opportunity is from Sanmina. They are hiring for the position of graduate trainee. Location is Chennai. Eligibility is bachelor's degree in computer science. Skills required are Oracle SQL or PL SQL, PostgreSQL, Java and Google scripting. You will work on Oracle databases, ODA, Google Cloud, Airflow, Cloud Run, data flow and cloud functions. Requirements are willing to work 24/7, rotational shift. Experience required is freshers friendly or graduate role. If you are interested, apply for this position. Fifth opportunity is from Emerson. They are hiring for the position of software engineer trainee. Location is Pune, Maharashtra. Coming to the eligibility, MTech or bachelor's degree in computer science, information technology or related engineering discipline with graduation completed in 2025 or 2026. Skills required are programming, DSA, OOPS, SDLC. Programming means basic knowledge about at least one of the programming languages like Python, Java, JavaScript, etc. Preferred skills are SQL, Git, Cloud, Web Technologies, Testing or Automation and DevOps. We will work on software development, testing, debugging and maintaining software products. Sixth opportunity is from Zapar Technologies. They are hiring for the position of trainee software engineer. Location is Korati. Experience required is 0 to 1 year of experience. Coming to the skills, Python, Django, React.js, PostgreSQL and MySQL are needed. You will work on full stack cloud application development, testing, debugging and SDLC. If you have 0 to 1 year of experience in above discussed skills, make sure that you apply for this position. Seventh opportunity is from Global Payments. They are hiring for the position of Associate Software Engineer. Location is Pune, Maharashtra. Experience required for this position is 0 to 1 years of experience. Must have skills such as Python, SQL, Unix basics and good scripting. Good to have GCP, AWS, Azure, Python scripting and Unix shell scripting. Requirement is rotational shifts will be there. You will work on production support, cloud, open applications and automation. If you are interested, apply for this position. Eighth opportunity is from Cube. They are hiring for the position of associate software engineer. Location is Bangalore and it's a full-time job opportunity. You must have skills like Python, Django, Fast API, Flask, REST APIs and Git. Good to have Azure, Docker, data lakes, ETL, RabbitMQ and cloud storage skills. You will work on Python development, API testing, data pipelines and event-driven systems. This job opportunity is good for CSE AML freshers with strong Python projects. So don't miss this opportunity. Apply as soon as possible. Ninth opportunity is from Cionlabs. They are hiring for the position of software engineer. Location is Bengaluru. Coming to the eligibility, bachelor's degree in computer science, software engineering, EC or any related field people can apply for this position. Experience required is 0 to 2 years with projects or internships experience. Core skills required for this position are Kotlin, Shift, PHP or Flutter. At least one skill is required. Fundamental skills like DSA, algorithms and WOOP. Preferred skills like IoT, MQTT, Bluetooth or BLE, Wi-Fi, Git and Python. For this job opportunity mainly focuses on software plus IoT embedded systems. If you are interested in these above skills, apply for this position. Final opportunity is from Atos. They are hiring for the position of software engineer. Location is Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Coming to the educational qualifications and key skills required, bachelor's degree in computer science or any related field are eligible to apply. Skills required are programming languages, which means knowledge about any one of the programming language, SQL and relational databases. You will work on things like software or web application development, testing and debugging, etc. Coming to the experience, there is no specified experience posted here. If you have above skills and degree, don't miss this opportunity and apply for this position. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Navi 360 Diaries. See you in the next video.